Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another character from Roblox Piggy, and this time is Tigry. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and this one is very easy to draw. So here's my sketch underneath, and to begin we're going to start out with the overall head shape. So it's just going to be one big circle. So this is probably the hardest part, to draw a nice circle, but you can sketch it out first or use any kind of drawing aid that you can find. Alright, and then from this circle right here, we're going to go to the center of the circle. We're going to draw one line across. This is going to be his nose. So draw one line across first, and then just come down, turn it into a triangle. And let me shade it in real quick. Alright, and then from here, we're going to draw in the snout, and this is going to be the top of his snout right here, right on the nose. So I'm just going to draw a circle right underneath, coming all the way almost to the bottom. And then to finish out the snout area with the whiskers, just come to the center here of this triangle. Just gonna draw 2 lines across. So it's gonna be 1, and then I'm gonna draw 1 more top and bottom, just kind of flaring out. Okay, so those are his whiskers, and then now for his eyes. So it's really simple. Just come out here and an angle. Draw one circle, and then for the other side, same thing here, just come out. Alright, and then from here, let's go ahead and finish up his ear. So this one's really simple. Just come out from the eye here. Just draw a little triangle. Okay, so from the eye, just go up, out, and then just come back down. Okay, and then he's got those stripes. So we're gonna draw in right on the nose right here. Just come out to the side. Make a little block right here. So that's gonna be one stripe. So same thing here. So that's gonna be the one in the center, and then we're gonna come down. Just draw another little block here. It's kind of aiming toward the nose area. Okay, so just come up, draw one more. So just try to space it out evenly. Okay, and then to finish this out, right here, whatever space you have here, I'm just gonna draw a little egg shape, and that's gonna be for his cheek. Okay, so that's the head, and then now for the body, right here, make two little dots. I'm gonna come down. This is gonna be to his armpit. And then for the body, just kind of pinch it in and then come back out. So come in, just go back out, and then close it off. So that's gonna be the upper body. And let's just go ahead and finish up his legs first, and then we'll draw in his arms with the sword. So right in the middle here, just come down, make a little mark, and we'll draw in the inside of the leg first. So we'll go down. Okay, so now come back up here. Just kind of slant down, same as this curve or this slant right here. And then we're gonna go out toward the end, and then just close it off. Okay, so just slant down. So right around here, we'll stop, and then we'll give a little bump going out. That's gonna be for his foot. Close it off. And then right here, just one line, so this part's gonna be black. Alright, so now for his arms, we're gonna come back up here. So here's his armpit. Start up here on the shoulder, just curve, and just go out a little bit more. And then from the armpit here, just curve out, same thing. And then now for his hand, so on this curve, we'll go out. That's gonna be his little thumb, just kind of hook it. And then now for the other finger, start right in the middle of the thumb right here. Just curve down, and then just come back up here and just close it off. Okay, and then whatever space you have here, just close it out. So that's gonna be his hand, and it's gonna be holding his sword. Okay, so now for his sword, I'm gonna start right in the thumb right here. Just gonna go up, just two lines, close it off. And then for the little tip here, I'm just gonna add another section. And now we'll continue this down, so whatever slants you have, just come down. Close it off. And then now we can draw in finish up the handle right here. Go out this way. Let's draw a little bracket like this. And then this side is gonna go up. Angle down, so a little angle right here. And then whatever space you have here, just close it off. I know it's kind of a strange shape there. Okay, so now we're gonna draw on this side, pretty much the same. So again, here's the armpit. Go on the shoulder here. Curve down, and then just kind of go out. And then from the armpit here, just kind of follow that curve, go out. And then now for his thumb right here, same thing. Go out, curve it back in. From the middle of the thumb here, again, just curve down. Just kind of hook it back up to the thumb and just close it off. And then whatever space you have here, just go continue to curve and close it off. Okay, so now for the handle, same thing here. Just gonna draw two lines going up, close it off. Add one little section here. And then we'll continue this. These two lines come down, close it off with a slant. And then we're gonna go in this little bracket. This side is gonna slant up and just come back down. And then whatever space you have here, just close it off. Okay, and then lastly, one little detail right here from the armpit. Just draw one little line. And that is it for this Tigry. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.